over at Sonic it's already somebody over at Sonic waiting right now. It's already somebody over at Sonic. Uncle Ruckus, I'm with you. That's a decline for me. Mariella, we don't do those. We don't do those. That's that same order. So you sent me one $4 order going 1.8, and you added 2 miles, and you added 575. I'm not going to 2 places and 2 drop-offs for $10. Hell no. That's not gonna work for me. This is a top dumbass order right here. That's a top dumbass order. I am not a top dumbass. No, we're not doing that. That motherfucker just gonna stay at 0 until they send me a good offer. I agree, Larry. That's a decline for me. $10 picking up at 2 spots, dropping off at 2 spots. That don't make sense to me. That's a no tip McDonald's. Why am I not taking screenshots? Hold on. Because I need to have screenshots for my video later. I'm going to make more money off the damn screenshots than I am off the orders. No, sir. Say that shit for a top dumbass. He love doing $3 orders. You might get a tip. If they didn't tip on the app, nigga, that's it. Them DoorDash customers is not tipping. $3 for 1 mile. Somebody else will be like, hey, it's 3 to 1 miles to money ratio. You a $3 driver. And that's exactly how many brain cells your ass got. 3. That's why they sent it to you and you accepted it. Because you got 3 brain cells. And that's all your brain cells is worth. $3. My brain cells is worth more than $3, okay? I don't know about y'all, but my brain cells worth a little bit more. Switch to Uber Eats. Let's do this. Let's do this. Split screen. Let's put Uber down there. That's trash. That's trash. Keep that. There we go. This is how you multi-app right here. You want a multi-app for real? Do it like this. Trash can. Oh, that's a trash can offer. That's a trash can offer. And we don't do that. And up my name. Decline, baby. I don't care what y'all talking about. Hell to the no. Hell no to the no, no, no. Hell no to the no, no, no. We're not taking that shit. Not today. Not taking that shit today. What's that? That motherfucker almost had a diamond on it, didn't it? Y'all seen it? I almost glitched the phone out. We got $7 for 4 miles at Wayne Gang. That shit right across the street too. Hell no, nigga, that shit too far. $4? Yeah, you keep that shit. Say that shit for a top dasher. That order is too much for me. That's a top dasher order. I'm not qualified. That order is I'm not qualified to do that. You need a top dasher to do that. You need a better dasher. You need a more gullible dasher to do that order. Cause me, I can't do it. Cause what you gotta realize is I'm not qualified. My qualifications do not allow me to accept that order. You understand? I'm not qualified. You need somebody else. Somebody else gotta do it. I hate when DoorDash call you like, hey, did you pick up this order? Like, nigga, no. That shit hit my phone. I declined the shit out of it. Don't be calling me, asking me, did I pick up this fucking trash order? What the fuck is wrong with you? They will. They'll call you like, hey, did you pick up that order? Like, nigga, no. The fuck?